Well, it's been about a week. I didn't want to jinx anything by saying something, but she's back. Finally, earlier this week, Tom Bush told me she was ready. Oh, I'm so excited. Have her back. Ain't that something? It's been so long that I've literally had to learn how to drive this car again. I only had it a week before, about 2 weeks before I took it in for repairs under warranty. And look at this ass. Look at that. So yeah, I only had it for like a week before I took it in for warranty repairs. And wow, I can tell you this. That month and a half was painful. They were nice enough to provide me with a loaner. They were the nicest people, meaning specific people I was dealing with, Eric Rossman and Whitney over in the body shop, and Veronica up front. They were really, really great people, but man, I can tell you this, they really did a great job with with the concerns that I had. So I cannot tell you just how excited I am. I've been driving the shit out of this car. I think the first day I may have burned a full tank of gas. They put a full tank of gas in there. I think I burnt the full tank of gas in 2 days, wide open as much as I could. Yeah, this is definitely different from the loaner, which was M850i. And it was a Grand Coupe, which the suspension was different. It didn't feel, this is a lot softer ride, more comfortable. It's a completely, it feels like a completely different car than the loaner, which really shocked me, and sits lower. Anyway, I can give superlatives all day for this thing, but I'm really happy and excited, and this new chapter, this new year has been pretty cool. So look for some more content on this pretty soon.